Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. I hope you're doing well. And for those of you who are new, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. All I do here is to remind you of your greatness. And our topic today is going to be you are a spiritual being having a human experience. And I came to think about this topic a while ago, and it helped me with expansion. You know, if you start looking at yourself as a spiritual being, meaning you have spiritual abilities, meaning you create first from the spiritual, then things come to the physical, you can appreciate the limitations we have right now in terms of our physical abilities, right? But because you're more than what we can see, you're more physical, you're more spiritual than physical, that gives you room for expansion, room to do amazing things, and room to stop taking things personally. You know, one of the biggest things that happens as life goes on, and we encounter maybe difficult experiences, we may give up thinking, is this it? Is this all that I've been working for? It can't be this limited. And you're correct, it's not this limited. Life is more than what we can see, and your abilities and capabilities are more than what you can see. The question is, how do you activate your spiritual abilities? How do you live as a spiritual being? One is just keep reminding yourself you are a spiritual being, and you were born with all the answers. The thing is, they are within you, they are not outside of you. So you have to spend some quiet time tapping into yourself to figure out, what am I capable of? Why am I here? What gifts did I come with? Is there a particular mission I'm supposed to accomplish? All those answers are within you, and there are clues that those answers are within you. You'll find that there are things that you love to do, things that come easily to you, that those are clues that is the path you should take. And as you're taking it, take it as a spiritual being, meaning expansion will continue. There will always be expansion because you are a spiritual being. A spiritual being lives in the miracle zone, in a zone where there is flow. Yes, we plan just to be physical, just to follow whatever rules and guidelines are within our environment, but we have to keep the awareness that the spiritual nature of us gives us clues of which direction to flow, what is the right path for us, where will we grow the most, where will we find the most fulfillment. All those are spiritual things. If you try to look for them in the physical, you're going to miss it. You will always take the long way, and yet there is a better way of doing things. Remember that saying, I think it is in the Bible, the way to the truth is narrow. You know, so your truth is a narrow path, and the only person who knows where your truth is you, and it's in you. So that spiritual nature of yours is going to direct you to your path and where you should go. So as you start living as a spiritual being, be excited that you're going to know every step of the way what to do next. You may not get the bigger picture. Most of us are not even ready for our bigger picture, you know, but you'll always know the next step. And for as long as you're honest towards yourself, towards your heart, you will know what to do, and it will always be the correct place to go in order to take you to your next level. Naturally, as a spiritual being, we are always growing and evolving. So that will never stop. So that excitement of always going to another level and discovering new things and exploring what life has for us it will always be ongoing. So don't limit yourself. You don't have to limit yourself. And those things that appear as problems now, there is a solution to be uncovered within what is seemingly a problem. So go be excited and behave as a spiritual being. You have way bigger capacity than we can see. As always, this is Mother Ego. Remember your greatness. I'll talk to you soon. Love you guys. Bye.